Networking transmission media. Various components are interconnected with each other through some medium in a computer network. The medium that enables you to transfer data from one computer to another is known as a transmission medium. The cables that connect two or more workstations are the communication channels. Computers in a small network can be connected by cables, mostly copper conductors in twisted pairs or coaxial cables. Nowadays, optical fiber technology is also used for networking. We can group the communication media in two categories: guided media and unguided media. The guided media includes cables and unguided media includes wave. The unguided media are categorized into two types: long-distance wireless and short-distance wireless media. Long-distance wireless media. It can support communication over longer distances up to thousands of kilometers. Long-distance wireless communication media includes microwave, radio wave, and satellite. Microwave. It refers to microwave radio transmission, which is commonly used to send signals from the Earth to the satellites and vice versa. These waves are also used for deep space communications, radar systems, radio astronomy, etc. Radio wave. These waves are commonly used for long-distance communication or sending messages, information for communication for aircraft or naval communication. The information is sent in the form of electromagnetic wave. Short-distance wireless media. Wi-Fi. It refers to wireless fidelity, which lets you connect to the internet without any wired connection from your PC. It is a popular form of wireless connections as it does not require cable. It can be used to get connected through a variety of devices like laptops, digital camera, smartphones, gaming consoles, etc. To connect to a Wi-Fi network, a hotspot is required. The hotspot acts as a gateway to the internet. You need to connect to a hotspot to be able to connect to the internet. Bluetooth. This wireless technology creates a small wireless network called Personal Area Network between personal computers and peripheral devices such as printer, mouse, keyboard, headphone, etc. It is used to exchange data over a short distance from fixed or mobile devices. Global Positioning System. The short form of Global Positioning System is GPS. It is a satellite-based navigation system which is used to identify the ground positioning of an object. It is made up of a network of 24 satellites placed into orbit by the US Department of Defense. These are evenly spaced out so that 4 satellites can be seen with a clear line of sight from anywhere on the globe. It is used for tracking mobiles, cars, etc. Infrared communication. The infrared light transmits data through the air and can propagate throughout the room by bouncing off surfaces but will not penetrate walls. This type of transmission uses infrared light to send data. These are similar to normal lights, except that these have a longer wavelength. Therefore, they are not visible to us. You can see the use of this type of transmission in everyday life: TV remotes, automotive garage doors, wireless speakers, etc. All of these make use of infrared light for transmission.